All right, so what's on the agenda this evening is cleaning up this 1940 or so Firestone Air Chief tube radio. I just got today. I got back from being fixed, so it works perfectly, all restored. And we're gonna clean it up. So I just wanted to show a couple things we use. So we use liquid gold. So you spray that on the rag and then kind of wipe it down only on wood. And it shines it up really nicely. I haven't done it yet, so we'll see if we can get that off um, and make it look shiny and wonderful for the pictures. And then I always have Goo Gone around for other things too, right? It takes like sticker gunk off of things, but it also cleans up Bakelite pretty nicely. So I will put it on a Q-tip and then wipe it down and then get a dry one and wipe that down to get all the stuff off of there. And we use these skewers right here, just like wooden skewers you would get at the store, for like things that are in the corners here. So it's like old, really old dust or something. So I'll like loosen that up and then use a Q-tip for that. So just a few things that we use. So again, liquid gold, Goo Gone, Q-tips, and skewers. And hopefully this will be all nice. And the going rate for this one should be about 300 to 400 for this exact model. So I'm excited about that. And it definitely deserves the cleaning time. I will say if it was a non-working one, I'd do a very quick version of this and then move it along. So you always obviously gauge what your time is worth and what the item is worth. But yeah, I'm gonna get to it.